Have you ever looked through your old tweets and thought, why did I post that? Whether you're cleaning up an old Twitter, now X account, or simply want a fresh start, deleting tweets one by one can take a lot of time. That's where Easy Tweet Deleter comes in. Easy Tweet Deleter is an online tool designed to make removing old tweets simple and efficient. To get started, connect your X account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access your tweets and start selecting the content you want to remove. On the dashboard, you can see the amount of tweets you've made, the likes you've gotten, and more insight. Move on to tweet to see what you've posted, and instead of manually scrolling through the entire timeline, you can use the available options to find the tweets you want to delete. You can search by a keyword, you can select a range of dates, you can select a hashtag, you can select older than how many days, you can even divide it into tweets, replies, reposts, and quotes. Here's where the tool really saves time. Rather than deleting each tweet individually, you can select multiple tweets and remove them together, or select an entire page and delete the whole page. This makes it much easier to clean up an old account, remove outdated posts, or simply reduce the clutter on your timeline. For now, I'll just delete these tweets. Once you've reviewed your selection, choose the delete option and confirm the action, and that's it. Your selected tweets are removed without having to repeat the process over and over again. If you're looking for a straightforward way to clean up your Twitter or X history, Easy Tweet Deleter makes the process quick and convenient. Less scrolling, less clicking, and more control over your old tweet.